Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are absolutely well. If you liked this video then don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe and ring the bell icon for the more latest videos.
Disclaimer, the content of this video is for educational purposes only. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Stocks, Forex and other financial markets have large potential rewards, but also have a large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in these markets. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. This is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy, sell. No account representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed in this video. You should be aware of all the risks associated with trading and seek advice from an independent financial advisor if you have any doubts.
How to become a Forex trader. First you need to know the meaning of Forex. You don't need to memorize the meaning of Forex, but at least you understand what you are getting into. What is Forex market? According to Investopedia, the foreign exchange market is where currencies are traded. Currencies are important to most people around the world, whether they realize it or not, because currencies need to be exchanged in order to conduct foreign trade and business. If you are living in the US and want to buy cheese from France, either you or the company that you buy the cheese from has to pay in euros, In ordinary market, we buy items and products that we need and we pay it with a currency. But in Forex, it's the currency itself is the one that we are buying and we pay it with another currency. Its more common term is exchange of one currency with the other foreign currency. That's what Forex means. The topic outline that I'm going to discuss is about trends and candlesticks. How are you going to trade if you don't know where the trend is going? Are you going to sell or are you going to buy? You cannot also call yourself a trader if you don't know how to read a candlestick, why the candle is red or green. Not just simply saying bear or bull candle. Technical analysis is not just merely support and resistance. By the way, I will come up with support and resistance video later. And how are you going to trade them? Trend is what we call the market direction, and is divided into three. First is what we called uptrend and others also called it bull market. Second is downtrend, others also called it bear market. Third and the last is sideway or range trade. Let's find out what is uptrend, and how to identify it. According to Investopedia, uptrend is the price movement of a financial asset when the overall direction is upward. Each successive peak and trough is higher than ones found earlier in the trend. The trend is therefore composed of higher high and higher low. How to identify if it's an uptrend? The low is higher than the previous low. This is so-called higher low. The new high is higher than the previous high. This is so-called higher high. This is an example of identifying an uptrend. Now let's find out what is a downtrend. Based on Investopedia, price action of a security that moves lower in price as it fluctuates over time, while the price may move intermittently higher or lower. Downtrends are characterized by lower peak and lower trough over time. Technical analysis: pay attention to downtrends because they represent something more than a random losing streak. Security in a downtrend seem to be more likely to continue trending lower until some market condition changes. Implying a downtrend marks a fundamentally deteriorating condition. This figure is an example of the beginning of a downtrend from uptrend, how you can identify. Now let's identify a downtrend. As you can see, number 4 is lower than number 2, this is called higher low. The price fails to create another higher high. And number 1 and number 3 are at the same level, which fails to create a lower low. Before I continue, please don't forget to like, Number 1 and number 3 are at the same level, which fails to create a lower high. Number 6 is lower than number 4 and also number 7 is lower than number 5. This chart is an example of downtrend, where the price is sloping down. Now let's find out, what is sideways or range trade and how to identify it. This chart of a range trade. Sideways direction has the characteristics of uptrend and downtrend. Its candles has lower high and lower low just like in a downtrend, and higher high and higher low like in an uptrend. The overall direction of the price is only inside the box, it's just going up and down for a period of time. Now, you know the 3 directions of the market, you should know when to buy and sell. In the next video, I will discuss the candlestick, but before that don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell icon to get notified for more videos. Thanks for watching, Spot Trader. You can send a message to FB page ph.1spottrader.